Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to empty the trash using the terminal in Ubuntu. First, open the terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T at the same time. This will open a new terminal window. In Ubuntu, deleted files are moved to the trash folder. To empty the trash, we need to remove all files inside this folder using a command. Type the following command in the terminal: rm/local/share/trash/files/**. This command deletes all files in the trash folder. Be careful with the rmrf command because it removes files permanently. If you want to also remove the trash metadata, which stores information about deleted files, type this command: rm/local/share/trash/info/**. Once you run these commands, the trash will be emptied. You can check by opening your file manager and looking at the trash folder. That is how you empty the trash using the terminal in Ubuntu.